Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This video is a continuation of the Wooden Dummy series. I believe we're on section number 6 now. Again, I'm just going to go through the pattern for you. This is my own kind of, I've learnt several different versions of this because everyone will do it differently, and kind of put it together myself. So if it's different to yours, which it will be, that's not what you're aiming for. The idea is just to get the pattern, and then you can also go more in depth in other videos. Okay. If you do find this video useful, please subscribe, like and share the video. That'd be fantastic. I do hope to give you higher quality videos in the future. Obviously better camera quality and more content as well. Obviously being in this situation the world's in now, it's not ideal for this sort of thing. It's a very minor problem, of course, but that's how it is. So, but I do hope to give you better quality videos in the future. So on with the video, and we're going to start like this again. Okay, so I'm going to go right garn cell, okay, from here, from this position, 1, okay, and we're going to switch straight to the other side and do the same, 2, okay, and from here, this is on a 45 shift both times, so it's from neutral position here, shifting this side and then back to this side. Okay, so 1, okay, 2, yeah, then number 3 we're going to shift back again, right bong cell, okay, then we're going to shift to the other side again with a lop cell and chop, okay, here, okay, to the neck. Okay, so we'll go from the start again, 1, 2, okay, 3, bong, shifting back, lop and chop, that's pull in hand, lop cell, pull in hand, chop at the same time. Then from here come back to neutral, okay, and it's going to be neutral position, it's going to be pack cell and palm strike at the same time, okay. So from here again, okay, so we'll go from the top quick, 1, 2, 3, bong, 4, lop and chop, and 5, straighten up, pack cell and palm, okay. This is underneath the elbow. Someone's punches here, it'll be underneath, firing forward, palm, up to the chin, okay. So from here, I'm going to go left bong cell, okay. I'm going to go shift again, chop, pull in hand and chop, and again straighten up, pack cell, yeah. This comes underneath and hits, okay. So from here, and again, I'm going to go right bong cell, and you're going to step out, this familiar technique, and you're going to kick, okay. Now the difference is, you notice with the earlier section, you stepped out and kicked the knee, okay. This time, I'm going to do the same thing, step out here, okay, and kick with the other leg. So from here, step out, hit, okay, and then back down. Once you come back down from here, you can step back to left bong cell. We're going to do the same on the other side. Going to come out, hit, okay, hit, and then you're going to step back in to garn, and the familiar ending, hen, jut, and then finish here. Okay, so go for it slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, here, okay, bong cell, hit, okay, in again, left bong cell, hit, yeah, okay, garn, and then finish here, okay. Yeah, once more sort of normal training speed. Okay, so just follow along with this, guys. Okay, that's that section, guys. So you can go through the pattern. Learn it. You don't need a dummy for this. This is like the empty hand forms of Wing Chun. you can just do it in the air. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one.